Hi guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Jamila Daura. Thank you for clicking to watch this video. If you are new, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, hi. So today we are going to be doing another DIY for body care, of course, as always, and these are my ingredients that we are going to be using today and some other that can't fit on here. I'm going to show them to you in a minute. I hope you guys are doing well in the spirit of the month of Ramadan. Inshallah, we are getting into the month of Ramadan, and I am trying to prepare things ahead of time that will leave room for me to do other important things, perform my ibadah. So this scrub here is going to be a soothing scrub, a relaxing scrub, an invigorating scrub, an energizing scrub, body scrub, because when Ramadan comes, a lot of work is going to be done, ibadah, cooking, cleaning, just taking care of the house, and I want something that will constantly elevate my mood. So it is going to be heavy on scent. So whatever it is that I use here, you don't have to use it, but just try to replicate it. Scent is very heavy on this recipe. So yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy this, try it out, and let me know what you think. And yeah, let me know how you guys are preparing for Ramadan, inshallah. May Allah spare our lives till the month and beyond. And yeah, let's get right into it, and let me introduce you guys to the ingredients. So I am doing this on the floor, just like my previous one. I just feel like doing DIY from on the floor, sitting in this position. It's a lot easier. So quickly to the ingredients. Here we have a blend. This is a blend of dry skincare ingredients, rose petals, lemongrass, and let me bring it up close so you guys can see. Yeah, rose petals, lemongrass, and lavender buds. This is going to just be infused in our ingredients. There are also rose buds in it, not just the dry rose petals. So yeah, this is it, and this is going to inform the rest of the ingredients that we have. You guys are going to see this is rose petal powder. It is looking a bit clumped up, but when you just put your hand, it's going to disintegrate. But yeah, this is rose petal powder. This is for brightening purpose. This is full of antioxidants. So like I said, ingredients is going to inform this ingredient is going to inform every other one that you guys are going to see today. So this is, yeah, just like what it is, rich in vitamin C, great for brightening the skin, great antioxidant source and brightening purpose. I think I mentioned that already. So the next ingredient is coffee. By the way, I have 1 cup of this, and for this I have a 4th cup. So the next ingredient we have here is coffee, the good old coffee. This is non-caffeinated, decaffeinated coffee. So I do not take caffeinated coffee because I am allergic to a certain, it gives me migraine. So yeah, so I take decaffeinated coffee, and this is just half teaspoon. This is just for energizing. The aromatic nature of coffee is a stimulant for the brain, for your body. So yeah, this is it. Like I said, this is heavily scented, so this will take us back to our other very first ingredient, which is this blend mix. And this you can dry up on your own, just get rose petals at home, dry it up, buds, lemongrass, dry it up, blend it, and you can actually, when you make this at home, you can actually soak it in your bathing water. Just pour it inside water, soak it up, strain it, and use it to bath. You will love it. So this has a lot of other, this is scented, but because I want it to be more scented, I have lavender essential oil here, and I have 2 fragrance I took it to my nose to spell. I have 2 itty bitty fragrance oil here that I'm going to be using. So these are some of the ingredients. Other ingredients that we're going to use is Himalayan salt. This is pink Himalayan salt, very fine. So this is going to help lift off impurities, lift off impurities from my body, from the body, and help soften the skin and help with exfoliation process as well. So this is also going to the next ingredient. Of course, you guys know already, this is argan oil, Moroccan argan oil. This is it has its own scent, it has its own smell because it is extra virgin organic Moroccan destined, so it's not filtered. It's not like the other one that I have. So this is going to be for it. Again, you guys know why I love argan oil. It is just the oil for me because it is non-comedogenic. I could do, if you know you do not, coconut oil does not clog your pore, by all means you can use coconut oil. So this is going to be a storage jar. It is already sanitized and I have my gloves on because there's going to be a lot of hand mixing. What goes in first is a pink, I call it pink. What goes in first is the rose petal powder, and I'm going to just loosen it with my hand. So we are going to go in with the salt. I want to measure the salt because that is going to inform actually how much oil that is going to go in at the end of the day. So we have 1 cup here. Like I said, this is going to be a big batch. This is a bulk production. This is a bulk production. So I just have, like, let's say a cup and a half of salt. So mix it up, mix it up, mix it. It smells nice, most especially the rose petal. Like I said, it's heavily scented. The rose petal has its own very beautiful scent. So I'm going to go in with petals again. So let's not forget our coffee. So, and there go. At this point, I think I'll need 1 cup of oil instead of half. So let's just get ready another half cup of oil. So this is 1 cup of argan oil in, and I already have one ready here. So let's see what consistency this gives us. Obviously not enough, so I'm going to just go in with the remaining one. This is what the consistency is looking like, which this is how I love my scrubs. Binding agents, you can easily find binding agents when you're making sugar or salt scrub by using clay-based content, and clay-based content would mean like this rose petal powder that I have, lemon powder, you know, any oatmeal powder. If you don't want to start going through that whole route of emulsifying your oil and, you know, getting it to bind into your mixture, like this is wholesome right now. Like this is one whole, this you can easily cut into this, work it on your skin without it disintegrating everywhere. So I'm going to go in now with my essential oil, and I need 2 teaspoons of my essential oil. Now please, this scrub, you cannot use it on your face. If you're looking for a sugar-based exfoliating scrub, I already have a video and lots of DIYs on the channel where you can use, where you can make, you know, that you can put on your face. The reason why this can't be used on the face is because I'm going to be using fragrance oil in this. So guys, I have finally gotten around opening my mini fragrance oils. So I'm just going to dump everything inside. So guys, this is a sugar scrub, a salt scrub, I don't know what to call these yet. But yeah, this is more like an exfoliate. It's still an exfoliating scrub. Every scrub that has granules in it is an exfoliating scrub, but it's an exfoliating, relaxing and brightening scrub because it has all the elements that is supposed to perform those functions as ingredients in here. So I'm just going to clean up and be right back. Hey guys, so this is the final result. I love what it looks like. It is lavender, very deep. No, it is not lavender. It is plum, you know, very deep plum color. It smells like Chapman, if you know Chapman, like Fanta Chapman of back in the days. So it smells like something that is candied, something that has sweetness, some sort of sweetness, and it's because of the all of the scents, you know, the smell, the scent that I have in that is giving off that, even though it's a salt based scrub. So I hope you guys get to try this. So this is going to be like a major body exfoliating procedure, something I will do once a week. And so this is going to last me, if I'm going to do full body, it's going to be 2 times. If I'm going to use just arms and legs, it's going to last me for 4 whole weeks. So my goal is to actually use this for my arms, shoulder and my legs, and I will look for something else for the rest part of my body, and so that I can, because I intend to use this for the whole of Ramadan. And why I'm paying attention to my shoulders is just because it's going, that sensory effect, that massage that I get to give my shoulder when I'm scrubbing, is going to help me relax. Then my feet, when it's sore, then you know, my legs is going to help me relax. So those are the major places I'm going to be using, mostly upper body like I mentioned. So yeah, I'm going to link everything that I have used. Like I always say, you can always just go to my Amazon shop and you will see my ideal list for every DIY I have done based on the name of the scrub. So this is just going to be an exfoliating, relaxing scrub. Always have an airtight container. This does not require some sort of preservative, so long as you keep water away from it. My lid is airtight, so this is it. It's airtight. I lock it like this. Nothing is going to get into it, not air, not water. So yeah, this is it. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video today. Please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and suggest for me what other kind of DIYs would you like to see. I intend to bring a bath oil DIY, so stay tuned for that as well, inshallah. Bye and stay blessed.